Hey guys, it's Jack with Fishpond, here today to talk to you about two new additions to our line of tacky fly boxes. One of the things I'd like to remind everyone is that as of this year, all of our fly boxes are made with 100% recycled plastic, and these two new boxes are no exception. The first one we have here is the Pescador MagPad. So you'll notice very similar design, size, and shape to our original Pescador fly boxes. You've got a waterproof gasket here. Again, 100% recycled plastic, super durable, heat resistant. On the inside, you'll find a common pad here of silicone with your standard fly slits. Same up top here. The new addition here is this magnetic pad. So really quick grab and go. You're on the water trying to match the hatch. Throw a fly on here, pull it off, whatever you need to do. You have room for up to 165 flies, plus as many as you can fit on this magnetic pad here. The other new box we have for 2022 is the original River Mag. So we've got 10 storage compartments in here, all magnetic storage compartments. Again, a great solution for quick grab and go, matching the hatch when you're really on the fly. You've got a clear top here, just like our original fly box, so you can see everything that you've got loaded up in there. Really excited about these two new boxes. They're really the new workhorses of the Tacky line. Thanks for watching.